Okay. How's everyone doing out there? Good evening. Good afternoon. Coming to you across
Hello.
the internet, across time and space. So we have New York, Brighton, and Berlin. And of course, I'm in Camden. So tonight, Mishkin Firtzgerald, Bird Eats Baby. So hi Mishkin, big fan of yours for a while. And then we have Leah Hennessey from New York City, my hometown. So nice to see. And then I invited Monica from Stony Sugarskull to drop in and say hi. She has a new album out. How you doing, Monica?
Good, thank you.
See to walk tonight. Oh, yeah, I see to walk tonight.
No, it's great. I'd encourage everyone to go check out the album. It's great. You'll really enjoy it. It's oh, nice.
Yeah.
So what plans? What's up next for you? You able to get out and play at all?
Yes, I was supposed to have an album release at Spree in Berlin, but unfortunately it got cancelled. And now, like this week, I'm actually playing 2 gigs, which are like spontaneously, like, oh, okay. On Thursday, it's also my birthday, so we can play in a little bar here.
Hey, Mishkin.
Yo.
Yo.
I've got a box of razor blades. I hear them shining in the sun. I'm gonna get myself a bullet, put it in your gun. You're gonna point it to my head. All those pretty things you made me do, I'll cut myself away from here, getting over you. We've got nothing left to live for. You and I are stone.
What's the main thought in your head when you guys put pieces together for the band? Because you're doing some stuff that's really different.
I think actually we've grown together as a band, so it has collectively become the sound that it is today. When we construct songs, we want to really say something and shape it musically in a really interesting way.
Like your teeth against my skin. I can see your knives around now. Are they ever going in? How well do you think you know me? Can you stay track of two?
That look that you give me ain't fair, and you know
When you are long lost,
I find my way home.
you wrecked my redemption. No glory, no gold. For a soul showing blood, a heart has been destroyed. Trip off the boat.
How'd you first get into music?
Through church, really. My mum is a vicar, and So I grew up singing in church choirs and doing that a lot on the weekends. And then I would sing in choirs at school as well, and just singing all the time when I was a kid.
I never try to change him. He's got no soul to save. You can't solve a crime when there's nobody in the grave. I've given you so many chances you really don't deserve. I swallowed all my secrets and I never said what baby is.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mishkin. It was great set. Really enjoyed
Thank
it.
you so much
really
for having
enjoyed
me.
it. Leah, you ready?
Yes, I'm right here.
Everyone looks beautiful when we remember what our parents forgot.
Those are really fun. Those
Love
are really
it.
good.
I love it. I love making music videos. You know, when I write songs, one of the first things I think about is like, what could the music video be?
Beauty, dreaming of boredom, dreaming of lonely boys waiting for your call. You keep them young, you keep them forever young. You keep them wanting, lonely, holding, looking for your face in every limousine. Don't let it go, don't let it go. Sleep in music. Don't let it go, don't let it go. Sleep in music.
We have this great relationship with this club in New York called the Bowery Electric. It's like a fantastic, perfectly sized.
How we gonna do this again? How we gonna do this again? How we gonna do this all over again? Nobody lives like this anymore. Nobody lives like this anymore. It's not romantic. It's immature. Nobody lives like this anymore.
Yeah, so tell us about your music. How'd you get into it? Like, what's going on in your head?
This band Hennessey started with a group of songs I wrote, and I had always written songs in a desultory kind of unfocused way. A couple years ago, I had the feeling that there was something missing in my life, and that I would never be happy until I was making my own music.
But it's nothing compared to what we do to each other. To each other. Because we will not be lovers.
Yeah, it was great. Big finish.
Lovely afternoon.
We'll cross again sometime. That'd be great. I loved
Yes.
the music with
Yeah.
you. It was great.
Hopefully in Camden.
This was so
Camden
fun.
somewhere. Okay, cheers.
Thank you.
Bye.